AeroClean Technologies today announced plans to install Prego air purification and sanitization devices at Metabolic Jupiter by the end of 2021. Prego is a patented, proprietary, UVC LED technology that significantly reduces and removes harmful pathogens, including allergens, mold, bacteria, fungi, and viruses, like influenza and SARS-CoV-2, COVID-19. Metabolic Jupiter is committed to doing what they can to protect the all-around health, safety, and wellness for their athletes and staff. After viewing AeroClean test data, the leadership team at Metabolic Jupiter decided to proceed with the installation. Prego uses SteriDuct, a proprietary technology developed their best-in-class aerospace engineers, medical scientists and innovators. The Prego units will work continuously to purify and eliminate viruses and other harmful pathogens from the air within Metabolic Jupiter, exchanging the air inside most rooms up to 6 times per hour.